Good morning, Michael Walsh here, Norwal Farm. It's a drizzly, overcast day here. Temperatures are nice. They're in the upper 60s, low 70s. So we've got a bunch of sheep shuffling to do today. I found out why the ewes broke out. Their fence was grounded out, which I didn't realize that, so it allowed them to push through. So 9 of the dorpers pushed through yesterday. So I've got everything sorted. These two are staying in with the 2 rams. The dorpers are out in the pasture out there, so I have to put the fence up, get them back over where they belong, and then today we're going to put the breeding harnesses on these 2 rams and sort off the other IDF ewes and make their breeding groups. And I've got to bring Lambert, the IDF ram from the far pasture up north, bring him down and change his marking crayons. So we got a lot to do today, so let's get started. Come on, ladies. Let's go. Come on, girls. Good morning. You gotta go up there. Go on. Let's go. Go on. Go. The good news is they're tame. The bad news is they're tame. Good girls. Got the visual barrier up. That should be enough to get them back into the pasture there. Come on, girls. One. There we go. There they go. Good. Back out in their paddock. Okay, we're gonna go back far pasture and drive them up, and we'll change Lambert's crayon. Lily's doing much better. She's running and playing, getting close to me, or closer, not barking as much. Come on, girls and boy, let's go. That number 15 ewe, the bigger one's limping a bit, so I gotta check her for probably some foot scald. Go out the gate. Go on. Pearl's the leader. Get her to go, the rest of them will go. There she goes. There. First gate. Now we got to get him to go in that little gate down there. Garrett's up there. He sticks with the sheep and the Lily sticks with the goats. Good boy, Garrett. Show him the way to go. There. Pearl saw it. There they go. Now the next trick is to get him into the paddock. With the Jacobs, you can see there's a much higher flight distance. They're not the tamest. They're getting better, but it takes much less pressure to get them to move. IDFs, they kind of become what they're with. So when they're with the dorpers, they're calmer. The Jacobs are not quite so calm. We'll go in the paddock. The sheep should follow. If he sees the open gate, he should go in. Let's go. Perfect. Now I gotta get up there before he comes running back out. That went about as well as can be expected. Now we gotta catch him. All right, testing the camera setup. That looks pretty good. We have to catch Lambert. Take his harness off and change the frame. got some mud manure on this. And I've never used these before, but that would, and it was coated all the way over it. So he might have been breeding some of those and it didn't show up. We'll freshen this up for the next ram. And we're going to put a blue crayon on him. The reason for this, ewes have about a 17 to 20 day cycle. So if we didn't settle on the first meeting, they will come in heat again and they'll be marked with a different color. So that's better. Rock stuck in it. We have to pull out this pin. I don't have a pair of pliers. So what we'll do is we'll just put a new harness on him and fit it, and I'll use this one along the other way. There. This strap tightens up around the girth. It's like you're putting a saddle on a horse. This one comes up in front of the right shoulder. They cross over the shoulders. There. Good to go. Good to go. Okay. Now catch the ewe and check her foot. All right, check her foot. Her heels are a little long. I don't see anything in between, but I think that's what's causing her to walk around. Not bad. She's got some soft soles, so this wet weather's probably softened them up a little bit. She had a bit of a sole bruise. I think it was on her right rear. Also look pretty good. I had trimmed them when we bought them because they had been in confinement and they were pretty long. Any green on here, although that blue mark there is a little bit smeared, so she might have already been bred. The blue mark was a marking we did when we were vaccinated so we could tell them apart. There you go, Garrett. There you go. Good boy. You take him back to the pasture, okay? Take him back for me? Good boy. Come on, girls. Girl sees an escape route, she'll take off. There she goes. Let's go. They beat me up here and they're going up to the corner, but we'll see how long it takes them to come back. Now, see if we can get sheep to follow suit. So go, girls. Can't say come on because that'll call the goats, which they're coming out. Typical. That's why I shut the gate at the end of the field. Let's go. Garrett, get in there. Come on. There we go. Let's go. Good boy, Garrett. Come on, you two. The goats are bullies, so they're not too keen on going up there with the goats. Get in there, ladies. Let's go. Come on. Well, that worked better than I planned. So that's all done. Just a little bit muddy out here today. Next step is to get the IDFs. There are, let's see, six of them out here. Drive them down here, get them in there, sort them off, let the Dorpers back out, and then we'll split 3 for Kracker, 3 for Lamborghini, and then we'll split those out. The IDFs are up here, but it never works to take part of them because they all want to go back. So I'll come up here and take them all down. Hopefully they'll see it and go in. Dylan may not. He's been wanting to charge the gates, and he had a little corrective exercise today, so he'll probably be a little hesitant, but we'll see. Hi, Freckles. Got to pet you this morning. Yeah. Big difference than the Jacobs. Okay, go on. Dylan's heading that way. Let's go. See how much quieter the IDFs are with the Dorpers. Let's go. Go. Hopefully Dylan leads them in there. Come on. He's watching for the wire. That's where he got corrected this morning. Let's go. There he goes. He went in. At least he didn't charge it. That's what he's got to quit doing, because that's how they escape. Somebody go through. There you go. Figure it out. There they go. All right. Good girls. I've got a short panel of wire. I know it should be solid, but hopefully this will allow me to help sort these. So we'll see how it works. That's why you want a solid panel to work. Got them sorted, and they're going to go back out on pasture. Let's go. Go on. Good. This part is done. We're going to shed 3 of these off, bring them out here, and then I'll kick them out there. And then the other 3 that are left we'll put in here in the paddock. Then I'll bring those 4 in and kick out one of the ewes and one of the rams, doesn't matter which one. And then we'll leave those together, put them over there, and the ram and the ewe that's left we'll bring out and kick out with the others. They go out to that pasture, and then the ones that are left here will be in this pasture. So hopefully it all works. Keep track of who they are so you get their numbers. It's like 11. That is 25 because she lost her tag. Compliments of Garrett. And it looks like 21. 11, 25, and 21. Got these 3 recorded, and I recorded everything in the Flock Watch app so I know who's going where. I actually changed my mind. These are going to go to Lamborghini, and the ones that are already out in the paddock are going to go to Kracker. So we'll let these out, and then we'll get those in. We got to put the breeding harnesses on Kracker and Lamborghini. Not going to show you putting the harness together and putting it on them. They'll be easier to catch though. They're walking right up here to me. These guys are really friendly. So we'll get that done and then get the sorting done and get them out. Got everybody color coded. Cracker's green and Lamborghini's red. He's liking his new ladies already. So we're gonna put him out with his new 3 girls and move them to that pasture right out there. And then these 4 will have this area around here. Get on down there. Let's go. Change of plan. I couldn't get either group to go, so we're going to leave these in dry lot with the good hay for now. I'll wait till I've got some help and Roger can help me. We can probably put them in the truck and haul them down because I do want them to be on pasture, but for now I can't get them to go, so we'll leave these in here. Yeah, we're going to leave these out here, and Lamborghini's definitely in love with this girl today, so looks like we'll have 3rd week of March, assuming she gets pregnant. What I may do is alternate days on pasture too, until we get them out there, but this will work for now because I'm not going to waste a lot of time trying to get them down there. So that's it. Kracker was kind of interested in one, but I don't think she's standing yet. Might be getting ready to come in. I switched Heidi and the 2 rams yesterday, and I also switched the does and the other sheep up on the hill yesterday, so everybody's good to go. So I think we'll leave things set like they are. Thanks again for joining us at Norwal Farm. If you haven't already, please subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you get notified of any new videos, and leave us a comment and share this video with a friend. And please like the video, that helps our channel. So once again, thanks for joining us.